Welcome to Dad Built. Today, I'm going to be installing some tall curtains in my great room. Stick around. Now you might be thinking to yourself, but there are already curtains hung here. And you would be right. But let me give you a dad pro tip. When your wife asks you to hang new curtains, you don't say that. You can think it, but you don't say it. And how high should you hang your curtains? Well, the answer is as high as you can get them to go. Or in other words, ceiling height. This is a pretty basic job, but a quick DIY win. I just need to take down the old curtains and curtain rods, and when it comes to those curtain rod brackets, I'm gonna move those up to ceiling height. That should accommodate my new tall curtains. But where those brackets used to be are gonna be some holes in the wall. I'll wanna patch those up and touch them up with some paint as well. Then I can hang the new curtains. Should be pretty easy. If you're into DIY content, please consider subscribing to Dad Built. I post weekly videos of all kinds of DIY projects, and I'm always open to suggestions. So if there's something you'd like to see or a project you want me to tackle, drop me a line in the comments. Since I already had curtains here before, I don't need to go about finding the new position for these brackets. I'm just gonna take them straight up to the ceiling line. But if I was installing new curtain rods, I would follow the general rule of placing the brackets 6 inches to the outside of the window frame. I need to patch and paint the holes left from the old brackets. Then I'm ready to hang the new curtains. As in a number of cases, my wife was right about this one. The ceiling height curtains looked a lot better than what we had before. And I actually really enjoyed this project. It was quick, easy, I got it done in a day, and by maximizing the vertical space of our home, we created an upgraded look without a whole lot of effort.
Nothing but happiness coming my way. Long nights lying in bed.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Dad Built DIY for more tips and DIY projects like this. Hope to see you in the next video.
Because there's nothing like a beautiful day to chase my blues away.